Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. My name is Miss M and I am the instructor for this course. This is my drawing and watercolor course designed especially for kids. You do not have to have any experience at all with drawing or painting to be successful in this course. In this course, we will be creating 8 magnificent watercolor paintings. These paintings mostly have to do with animals. All of us love animals, and so I thought that as a celebration to those beautiful animals, we could create some of our own. So if this sounds like fun to you, please go ahead and sign up. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of this course.